team, just responding to an email that Sherry sent me. Just a reminder that we do have some other resources in our Lexia teacher login site, mylexia.com, and then you'll just use your whatever you set it up as. I use my district password. But that front page is where you track student progress, and you could do certificates and all those kinds of things. But on the left side, if you look down at resources, there are some resources in here. I would stick to the Core 5 side. I kind of cruised through the Power Up, and it does not appear to be for kindergarten. So check it out if you want, but I don't think that's what we need. Remember, we do have those Lexia lessons in there for any specific skill. If you look at the lesson on the left, it'll tell you the skill area on the right. You can print any of those out for anything that you need. Back to the resource, the skill builders, same story. There's picture stories for comprehension, phonological awareness, vocab, all kinds of things for those. Like specific things that you might need to go in with a small group of kids. If you go to this Core 5 hub, there's some support on the left side. Support for instruction has some really cool stuff for us. There's some printable letter tiles, picture cards, rhyming cards. If you keep going down, there's like some sight work cards, some vocab stuff. The passages seem to be just for those really super high levels, 12 through 18, but on the page before, there was some good stuff there. If you go to the classroom resources, you can also find those level maps. You can view the PDFs of those maps. And again, there's some checklists there and some like an overview to the lessons. So you could go and kind of cruise through those before you find one that you want. But there are some cool resources on there. Just another thing that we have. Oh, also these Core 5 posters were kind of funny. You could put them up maybe by your computers. How to sit at a computer. I just thought those were kind of funny. But there's some good stuff in there. Check it out. See you guys next week.